If your skin feels dry, dull, or rough, then today's simple homemade remedy is going to be your new favorite. And the best part, you only need 3 ingredients that are easily available at home. Before we start the video, quickly subscribe to my channel so you never miss any new upcoming videos. First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour helps gently cleanse the skin and remove dead skin cells. Now add 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Raw milk helps make the skin feel soft and moisturized. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey helps give the skin a smooth and naturally glowing look. Now mix everything well until you get a smooth, creamy paste. You can see how soft and creamy the texture looks. Apply this mask evenly on your clean face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it starts drying slightly, wash it off gently with normal water. After washing, your skin may feel fresh, soft, and smooth. If you have dry skin, you can try this remedy 2 times a week. And guys, one important thing. Everyone's skin type is different, so always do a patch test first. If you enjoy simple homemade beauty remedies like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and DIY remedies. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.